Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is November the 4th, 2018, and I wanted to show you the burning bush again here. Now this is pretty much completely turned, and you can see it turned a bright, like, fire engine red. I'll show this to you here. I told you that I'd come back with an update video when it turned completely. So it still has some green down in, but for the most part it's completely turned. It has a lot of nice berries on it, and the berries, birds love to eat the berries, so this is a really good way to help attract birds to your yard in the fall and winter time. And some of the berries are actually falling off down on the ground, but you can see the different colors and different shades of red in it. And I really like the burning bush. It adds beautiful color in the fall time, and then in the spring it has the white blooms that are followed by the berries in the fall time for the birds to eat. So it's a plant I highly recommend. I really like it. It's pretty neat. You could plant like white mums around it, or white marigolds or something. That would really set it off. If you want an alternative to growing mums, you could always grow marigolds and plant around it. As long as you keep deadheading them, they'll should keep blooming for you, and then you'll have fall color. We did have a frost this morning, so could be what made some of the leaves a little darker right now. But inside there you can see the green leaves are starting to turn more red. So it's still turning. You can see up there it's a really nice red color. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.